Good morning students. Today we are going to learn civics first lesson Indian Constitution. Indian Constitution. The Constitution of India was framed by a Constituent Assembly set up under the Cabinet Mission Plan 1946. The Assembly worked through the various committees and the draft of the Constitution was prepared by the Drafting Committee under the chairmanship of Dr. Ambedkar. Who was the chairmanship of Constitution? Dr. Ambedkar. He is recognized as the father of Indian Constitution. Who is called as father of Indian Constitution? Dr. Ambedkar. The draft had been discussed by the people, the press, provincial assemblies and the others. The Constitution was finally adopted on November 26, 1949. The Constitution was finally adopted on November 26, 1949. Contained a preamble, 22 parts, 395 articles and 8 schedules. The drafted Constitution came into force on 26 January 1950, known as Republic Day. Now we have to learn about the salient features of Indian Constitution. It is the lengthiest of all the written constitution of the world. It is lengthiest constitution in the world. It has borrowed most of its provisions from the constitution of various countries. It is partly rigid and partly flexible. It establishes a federal system of government. It is a federal system of government. It establishes parliamentary system not only at center but also in the states. It is a parliamentary system of government. It makes India as a secular state. India is a secular state. It provides an independent judiciary. It provides an independent judiciary. It introduces universal adult franchise and accords the right to vote to all citizens above the 18 years of age without any discrimination. Those who have completed 18 years of age right to vote in the elections. It provides single citizenship. It provides single citizenship. It makes special provisions for minorities, scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. Next we have to learn about preamble. What is preamble? The term preamble refers to the introduction of the Constitution. Preamble means introduction of the Constitution. The preamble of our Constitution states that India is a sovereign, socialistic, secular and democratic republic. Sovereign, socialistic, secular and democratic republic. Its aim is to secure all Indian citizens social, economic and political justice. Main aim was to social, economic and political justice. Thank you students.